po yung difference ng flowy sa hindi. Yung flowy, madam, magaan yung fabric. Yung regular natin na long skirt is mabigat siya. Okay? Ayun yung difference, madam ha. Si almond white is white. Si color floral white is may pagka-cream tone. Okay? Next color is tone ng long skirt. Ganito yung color ng stone. Ha? Ganito yung color ng stone, guys. Okay? Color stone, mas darker pa dito. Ha? Mas darker pa dito. Yung bago. Ayan, guys. Last 7 minutes left, guys, for price drop. Last 7 minutes, guys, for price drop. Don't forget to comment down, check out mga CZ. Okay? Don't forget to comment down, check out, guys. Last 7 minutes left. Mag-comment kayo, guys, na gusto nyo color na yung one word ko, ha, sa basket number 1 natin. Flex Porcelain 04. Porcelain 04, wait lang. Ayan, Porcelain 04, CZ ko. Porcelain 04. Maganda pa si floral white, buttermilk soft fabric. Yes, CZ ko. Next time, guys, natural